I run a mobile pizza business, and power is always on my mind when I go to a new venue or an event. Sometimes I get charged loads of money for using the venue's power, and sometimes there's no power at all. Now, this is where this EcoFlow Delta 2 might come in. This promises to run my whole pizza setup without the need of a noisy generator. So today I'm going to put this to the test. We're going to unbox it, we're going to test everything out. I'm going to take it with me this week to see if it can run my whole pizza setup for a normal weekly shift and see if it's got what it takes. So let's unbox it and get going. Alright, so I've just unboxed everything and I'll show you what's in the box. So we've got a quick start guide directing you to the app. We've got a 5-year warranty that you need to register. Instructions for your solar panel, if you've got one. I haven't got one. It's showing me how I can add on another battery pack and double the capacity. And then I've got the instruction manual. Also, we've got kettle lead style charger, a cigarette lighter style charger, one of these leads as well. So that's everything in the box. Pretty straightforward. It's actually it's not as big as I thought it would be. So I've just downloaded the app and it's connected to my Wi-Fi linked, and it's linked to this as well through Bluetooth. So let's turn this on. Now, let's open the app. So on here, it shows me what percentage I got left and how long I can run. God, my screen is filthy. So it shows me what percentage I've got left and how long that will run for. And on here, I can switch on the different modes, the different areas of power. I'll give you a little look around. So we've got the front here. So we've got our LCD screen, which showing me how many hours I've got left, what percentage, and my input and output here. Down here, we've got USB-A, and we've also got 4 fast chargers as well. So we've got USB-A, fast chargers, USB-C, USB-C, and I can turn these on and off here, and that's the main power on button. And on the back, I've got solar input, I've got my charging input, 4 normal household outputs, and then we've got these outputs as well with the cigarette style, if I can open it, in there. And then on the side is the extra battery port if you want to double it up. Now on the app, if you want to control things remotely, I can take this USB section, for example, and press on, and that will turn that section on or off. Same with the back, the same with any output on there. I can control that remotely, which is great. So what I'm going to do now is charge this up to 100%, see how long it takes, and then on Thursday we'll take it with us and see if it can run the whole setup. Just before I do that, I better give you some technical information because people like data. So the EcoFlow Delta 2 is a portable power station with just over 1,000 watt hours of battery inside. It can power things up to 1,800 watts continuously, which means it will handle most of my catering gear, lights, and even the small fridge. It weighs about 12 kilos, so we can still carry it about, and it charges apparently from empty to 80% in under an hour, which is amazing. If you need more power, you can add an extra battery and take it to around 3,000 watt hours. Basically, it's compact, it's expandable, and it's powerful enough to power anything that I would use at a catering event. The only thing I don't think it will power is my refrigerated servery, but I'm going to test it all on Thursday, so we're going to give it a run for its money. So let's get it charged up and see how long that takes. The EcoFlow is now on 99% charged, so I wanted to quickly just go through why I wanted to get one of these. I run pizza events every week and we do weddings, private hire, all sorts of different things. And sometimes we have to run our cable through some really dodgy places, over doors, under windows, under other people's setups and all sorts. So this makes total sense. The other reason is we've got another event that we're going to be doing every single week, which is in a car park, and we don't have any access to power. I didn't want to go and get a really noisy generator. So I looked into these power stations and I looked at the brands like Bluetti, Jackery, Anchor, EcoFlow. And the more I looked at EcoFlow, the more reputable and reliable they came across. They also had a deal on the website. If you want to check out the website, go through the link that I've got below. And if you buy through that link, you won't get charged any extra at all, but it really helps the channel out. So just as a little side note, check them out through my link. I'd really appreciate it. Actually, it's just hit 100% as we just finished speaking then. So 49 minutes to charge from 31% up to 100%. That's fantastic. So you'd expect something like this to charge for hours, not under an hour. So I'm really impressed with that straight away. So what we'll do is keep this topped up. It shouldn't lose charge now because I'm not going to use it. So on Thursday, when I get to set up, I'm not going to plug into the wall. I'm going to use this for everything and we'll see how we get on. All right, here we are. It's Thursday. I've set up and now we're going to put the EcoFlow to the test. I'll give you a little tour first. Got the oven on, ready to go, nearly, just warming up. Gonna push that back to the corner, good to go. We've got all of our bits up here, and then we've got our dough, looking amazing. I upped the yeast a slight percentage this week and it's made a massive difference. Down here we've got our boxes. So what we're going to be plugging in is these lights. We've got the customer buzzers, the card machine. My phone's going to be on fast charge. So my phone's on the front. And then at the back, I hate these massive plugs because if I wanted to plug something in there, that's in the way. So let's turn it on and see what happens. So 100%, if we turn this panel on to charge my phone, phone's charging, and then if we turn the back panel on, there's a little button in there, you see it? We have lights, we have buzzers charging, card machines on, and it's not even flinching. It says it can run this for 18 hours. So far so good. What I'm going to do is leave that running now. We're going to be, 4:15, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got another 5 hours. So yeah, that's not even, it wants more if anything. But let's get on with some service and see what happens. Right, so we've just finished up our shift and it was a mad one. It was so busy. I didn't get many clips in between, but this video is about this power station. So we've run it from, I'd say 4 o'clock we started it, and now it's 9:15. We're just packing up and this is where we are. We've got 87% left. We're only drawing a tiny amount, 22 watts, because I've got the lights, all of the buzzers are charged, so they're not drawing anything, and then my phone's on charge. Cheers, mate. So it's also saying that it will do this for another 27 hours. So overall, for us, when we add a drinks fridge in, this thing shouldn't flinch. So yeah, over the moon with it. We'll obviously keep you updated as we go along, because we've got weddings and things that we might want to run some heavier equipment with. We had a power cut last night at home and I thought, I don't care because I could power my house. Yeah, when you've got it there, it charges in an hour and it can run our pizza setup for 24 hours. Game changer. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.